Well, hello there, YouTube. Excuse me, I'm coughing. We have had plenty of rain now. We had a really horrible summer. It was like 107, and we had no rain since May, and now we had lots of rain. I don't know if you remember my yard, but that was all brown. This was all brown, and now look how green it is. I gotta mow it again. That was really brown over there, but it's still not doing great there, but at least there's some green in it now. The front's looking really good. We've had a lot of rain. I mean, it poured today. I got a metal roof in my shop, and I was at a Zoom meeting. I couldn't hear. I was on the phone one other day with a guy. I couldn't hear myself talking, a little on him talking. But you can see the water sitting around, well, back here. So, I'm out for a ride today. My wife told me this creek was finally flowing. I've never seen it flow since we lived here, but look at there. We've had some rain and it's flowing a little bit, which is kind of cool. That goes back to my property right there. My property goes all the way to the creek, and the creek goes back that way. So, got a huge lot in the back. Getting it cleared out. He ran out of real estate to put some of the trees in so we could burn them eventually, so had to stop and didn't finish. He might get finished. I'm sorry, I'm coughing. I had COVID in January and I'm still coughing. Only when I talk, I cough. Yep, I won't go too far because I don't want to get rained on. I don't have any rain gear in this one. It's all in the saddlebags of the other one. Finally building on this lot up here. It's had foundation and a shop foundation, but they finally started building on it. Wouldn't want to live there because there's the freeway. We can actually hear the freeway in the morning, which, oh well. This storage unit is kind of convenient. We used it for 8 months. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. I'll turn it on a little bit later. Bye. Well, I found a really nice little neighborhood right here. I think it's just one street. Pretty nice. Been out here one other time. Kind of cool. Just one street. Nice and spaced out, like kind of like my. Oh, there's some big oak trees too. Big trees anyway. It's a nice neighborhood. Oh, there's a poochie. Ooh, for sale. It's a nice little neighborhood, but it's really quiet. Oh, that's cool. I got a fountain right there. That one's cool with the little gazebo and a creek. nice homes out here. Now here's that Lake Tawakoni again. I came in way south, way out that way towards Greenville, and then up 276 again. Oh wow, look at all the lily pads back there. How cool is that? It's a pretty good sized lake. This is just the east part. It's pretty to live on this lake. This is a smaller part. The big part's on the other side. I guess there's two lakes. Beautiful. Here's the yellow one. Oh God, I just passed that one. This is the big one. I think that was East Tawakoni. This is, I don't know, the big one. This guy just pulled right out in front of me. Yeah, right into the sun. Yeah, look how big this lake is. It's pretty nice. You should never have a water shortage. Pretty good sized lake. Yeah, this is the big one. Nobody's out water skiing or nothing. Well, it's just been raining too, so it's been raining for a couple days. We got lots of rain. So, close my shield. We got lots of rain. It was gorgeous. I can just sit out there and watch my yard turning green again. It was so struggling with brown. Oh my God, I thought it was dead. Grass was so expensive, could have bought a brand new pickup truck. Oh, there's a boat out there. Wow, this lake's big. How can we ever run out of water and go on water rationing? I know it's quite a ways from where I live, but still, we got a huge lake right on the other side of Rockwall. I mean, bigger than this. How can we ever go on water rationing with all this water? You know what? I should start bringing the drone with me. There's a lot of places to fly around here. Very cool. I don't do that. I used to do that years ago, but now I never bring it with me. It's always so windy when I take it with me, so now there's no wind. Bye. Well, shut off.